A portfolio is more than a collection of work. It's your professional story. For freelancers, it's crucial. It shows your style, skills, and potential. But what if you're starting from zero? No worries. Even without formal experience, you can create something stunning. Think of your portfolio as your stage. Here you can showcase your best performances, even if they were never seen by a big audience. Every great artist started somewhere. You're no different. Let's embark on this journey to build a portfolio from scratch that stands out and speaks volumes. This blank canvas symbolizes your current situation. It's empty, but full of potential. Like the artist, you have the power to fill it with colors and shapes that define you. In this guide, we'll explore how to turn this blank canvas into a masterpiece. First, ask yourself, what am I great at? What do I love doing? This is where your portfolio begins. It's about finding your niche. Maybe you're a graphic designer who adores minimalist style, or a writer fascinated by technology. Pin this down. Next, think about what makes you different from others in your field. Maybe you have a unique way of solving problems or a fresh perspective on common tasks. This is what will make your portfolio pop. It's not just what you do, but how you do it that matters. Imagine your work in a sea of sameness. This image is your work. It stands out, catches the eye. This is your goal. Make your portfolio so unique and vibrant that it can't help but attract attention. Personal projects are gold mines. They show what you can do when you're the boss. Start a project related to your interests and skills. It could be a new website design for a fictional brand or a series of articles on a topic you love. Through these projects, you build not just a portfolio but also your skills and confidence. Each project is a stepping stone. Think of each as an experiment. Some will succeed, others won't, but each will teach you something valuable. Sit in your creative space just like this person. Start working on your ideas. Remember, these projects are your playground. There are no wrong answers here, only learning and growing. Section 4. Step 3. Showcasing skills with mock projects. Mock projects are your chance to dream big. Pick a company you admire and create something for them. It's like a trial run. Design a new logo, write marketing copy, or draft a business plan. Show what you could do if given the chance. This approach not only fills your portfolio but also demonstrates your ability to apply your skills in real-world scenarios. Think about the problems these companies face and how your skills can provide solutions. This shows potential clients that you're not just a thinker, but a doer. Here's an example. This redesigned website wasn't commissioned by the company, but it's a powerful showcase of skill and vision. Creating such mock projects can dramatically elevate your portfolio. Section 5, Step 4. Incorporating testimonials. Even if you haven't worked professionally, you can still gather testimonials. Think about any non-professional work you've done. Maybe you designed a logo for a friend's startup or helped a local nonprofit with their newsletter. Ask them for feedback. Place these testimonials prominently in your portfolio. They add a human touch and credibility. They tell potential clients that others have trusted you and appreciated your work. This is powerful, especially when you are just starting out. These are real voices of people who believed in someone new. Like these testimonials, your early supporters' words can propel you forward. They show you're ready to tackle new challenges. Section 6. Step 5. Presenting your portfolio. Now, bring it all together. Your portfolio should be easy to navigate and visually appealing. Use a simple platform like WordPress or Behance to showcase your work. Make sure it's accessible on all devices, looking just as good on a phone as on a desktop. Include a short bio explaining who you are and what drives you. This personal touch can connect emotionally with potential clients. Also, keep updating your portfolio regularly. As you grow and improve, so should your portfolio. Your portfolio is like this tablet, neat, professional, and inviting. It tells your story at a glance. Make sure it's a story that others can't wait to read. Section 7. Conclusion. Launch your freelance journey. Now that you know how to build a killer freelance portfolio, start today. Gather your ideas, work on projects, and showcase them. Every big journey begins with a single step. Your portfolio is that step. Remember, your portfolio is never really finished. It evolves as you evolve. Update it, refine it, and let it grow as you do. So take that first step. Be bold, be creative, and most importantly, be yourself. Like this rocket, launch your freelance career with confidence. Your portfolio is your platform, your stage, your arena. Own it. and see where it takes you.